Okay, let's now look at question 4. How do we go about to solve question 4? Okay, if you read whatever information given here, if you get a bit confused, it's good to focus on the last sentence, which is the question about this keyword called power. So once you see the word power, it's good to start to recall the formula for power. So power, as you can recall from the previous question, is actually equal to the energy over time, or some students remember it as work done over time taken. Okay, so there are many ways of remembering this: energy over time taken, or work done over time taken. So the next question is, there's no work done mentioned in the whole entire question. So how do we find work done? So work done by itself is actually the force applied multiplied by the distance moved. Okay, distance moved over the, okay, it's still over time, so it's still divided by time. So in this case, how do we solve it? There's no force again in this question, but we notice that there's this information called weight. So the force is actually to do work against the weight. So I can also refer my force in this case, okay, to my weight. So these two actually link together. So I can actually put my force as 2000 Newton. Okay, so I have resolved this. Okay, what about the next one? You notice there's a distance move. So there's no distance again in this question, but you notice there's a height. Okay, there's a height of 10 meters. So height is actually my distance. So in this case, I can put down my weight times my distance. In this case is 10 meters. So when you apply all this formula, please take note that all this information has to be in the SI unit. So the SI unit for distance is meters, and the SI unit for force is Newton. So notice all these are correctly placed. So there's no need for any conversion of units. Okay, so the last part, okay, we have already gotten the force times distance. The last part is the time. So you notice the last part, time is actually 20 seconds. Okay, remember time SI unit is 20 seconds, so there's no need for any conversion of units to seconds. So I just put down 20. So if I press my calculator, 2000 times 10 over 20, I can simplify. So it becomes, if I simplify the equation, I can cancel out my 20. So if I cancel my 20, I'm left with 100. So I take 100 times 10. 100 times 10 actually give me the final answer, which is 1000. The unit for power is watts. Okay, so this is the answer for this, the entire solution for question 4. So the best answer will be option B. So B is the answer for question 4. Okay, that's all for question 4.